Welcome back, students of 7th class. This is maths lecture. In this video lecture, we'll discuss about area of equilateral triangle, the area of triangle, and also discuss here Heron's formula of area of triangle. Now first see friends, what about the area of equilateral triangle? Equilateral area of equilateral triangle. Now friends, you know the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square, where a is side. Now we will prove friends how this the formula is square root 3 by 4 a square becomes. Now see friends, suppose this is ABC is the equilateral triangle whose sides a and a, because all sides are equal in equilateral triangle. Now see friends, if we draw the perpendicular line from the top on the base, now there is a properties of equilateral triangle. This AD friends, this AD divides the base BC into two equal parts. So this part is called a by 2, this is also a by 2, because friends total length BC is a, so half of a by 2 and half of a is a by 2. Okay, now say friends, in general we know the area of triangle is half base into height. And if you look at individually friends, look at this figure. So ADB, so ADB is a right angle triangle with angle D in ADB 90 degree. Now friends, we will find this side AD with the help of Pythagoras theorem in this right angle triangle ADB. Now friends, in triangle ADB, so angle D is 90 degree. In triangle ADB, angle D is 90 degree. Now friends, by Pythagoras theorem, by Pythagoras, now see, now friends, see, by Pythagoras we can find out the AB, hypotenuse square is equal to, this is base square BD square plus this is altitude means AD square. Now AB is what friends? AB is a square, BD is friends a by 2 raised to the power 2 plus AD that we have to find as it is. Now friends, a square is equal to a square by 4, because a square a and 2 raised to the power 2 becomes 4 plus a d square. Now friends, bring this add a square as it is, bring this to the left hand side with the minus sign and becomes AD square. Here friends, take the LCM of 4, 1 and 4. Now see here, this is 4 LCM, so here is the 1, 4 is divided by 1, 4 multiplied by, this is 4a square minus. So now friends, this 4 is divided by this 4, 1 multiplied by a square, this is a square is equal to AD square. Now 4AD a square minus a square, this is 3a square divided by 4 is equal to AD square. Now friends, since we can write AD is equal to under root 3a square by 4. So this AD becomes friends, AD becomes root 3 a square is equal to odd a, and this is by 2. So the length of AD becomes, that means the length of this altitude AD friends, under root 3 by 2 into a, where a is the side of this equilateral triangle. Then friends, now area of triangle in general form, area of triangle ABC means area of equilateral triangle, this triangle ABC is equal to half friends base into height. Look at the friends, this is base friend, this is the base is BC, here BC is the base, and height friends, AD is the height. In this figure, because AD is the perpendicular line drawn from A to the opposite side of base BC, so this AD is the altitude or height of this triangle ABC. So this triangle is what, friends? This is equilateral triangle. Whatever the triangle it is, but this is equilateral triangle. So area of this triangle half base into height. This is the general formula. Okay. Now BC is, friends, put the value of BC is total A, because BC is the side of this triangle, multiply by AD is here found, friends. So this is, friends, half as it is. So this is half multiplied by BC. BC is 8 and multiply by height. Height, this is root 3 by AD, root 3 by 2 into A. Now see, friends, here, friends, 2 to the 4. So A, so root 3 A square and by 4. This is a square unit. So this proved, friends, root 3 by 4 A square, where A is the side of equilateral triangle and this is the formula of equilateral triangle. So we can say the area of equilateral triangle is square root 3 by 4 into side a square. Okay. Now see, friends, talking about the right angle triangle. Okay. Now next, friends, area of right angled triangle. Now see, friends, this is the right angle triangle. So this is A, B and C, where B is 90 degree. Now the area of this triangle, area of triangle ABC is equal to, friends, half. So this is base BC or into height AB. But now, friend, this base BC is said to be the legs, friends. This is the leg of this triangle, leg, and this is also leg, but this looks like the leg or the hands. We can write, friends, they are the product of half product of its legs, a square unit. Now we can see the next thing, that is area of triangle by Heron's formula. Okay, friends, area of triangle by Heron's formula. Now see, friends, first look at this. There is a triangle in general. This is A, B and C. Now the side of this opposite A is the small a, the side of this opposite C is the small c, and the side of this capital B is the small b. So there are three sides A, B and C of triangle A, B, C. Okay, friends. Now by Heron's formula, first S is equal to half of A plus B plus C. So what is S, friends? S is the semi perimeter. We can write S is semi perimeter of triangle ABC. Here, friends, S is the semi perimeter of triangle because, friend, perimeter of triangle is sum of their three sides. So sum of three sides is here A plus B plus C, sum of first side, second side and third side, and divided by half, means that is called the semi perimeter. And now next, now, friends, area of triangle. Okay, friends, A, B, C by Heron's formula, under root capital S. So this is S is nothing, this is S is the semi perimeter, then multiply by S minus small a, S minus one side, S minus second side, and then S minus third side. This is, friends, a square unit. So this is the area of triangle ABC by Heron's formula. So here, friends, by Heron's formula we need two things. First, to find the perimeter of triangle, that is S. So S is the semi perimeter of triangle. So we will put the value of semi perimeter of triangle as a instead of this s, and we know the values of the sides. This is a side, b side, and 3 c sides. Okay, so this under root square root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c, this gives us the area of triangle. Okay, I hope friends you will get. Now please friends remember all these formulae. Okay, if you have any doubt, confusion even, so please ask me, contact me, comment in the comment box below. Have a nice day and try to solve the examples problem after this. Okay.